Hello children, how are you? I am Miss Prashanti. Today I am going to teach Standard 3 Science Chapter 1 Eating Habits of Animals. Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. All living things need food to live. You know that plants make their own food in their leaves. Animals cannot make their own food. So they eat either plants or other animals. You have you seen cows and buffaloes eating grass or leaves? Horses, rabbits and giraffes also eat only plants. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. One more example for you. Horse, cow, goat, elephants also eat plants and grass. Lions, owls, dolphins, owls and snakes do not eat plants. They eat the flesh of other animals. Animals that eat only the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Can you name some other carnivores? Dolphins, owls and eagle, tiger and snakes also eat only meat. Many of you eat fruits and vegetables as well as meat. Humans eat both plants and animals. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Humans, bears, crows and rats are omnivores. For example, dog also. Now, food chains. Look at the following pictures. They tell us what an animal eats in nature. The grass, deer and tiger from a chain. In the same way, the carrot, rabbit and fox from another chain. Such a chain which tells us who eats what in nature is called a food chain. There are many food chains in nature. Two of them are given below. Complete the second food chain. Water plants, fish, humans, dash, rat and snake. What will come here? Vegetables and some grains. Grains also we are getting from plants. You see that all food chains start with plants. All animals finally depend on plants for their food. Now, eating habits. Different animals eat different foods. They have mouth parts suited to the type of food they eat. Herbivores such as cows, deer, camels and horses eat grass and other plants. They have sharp and broad front teeth to bite off the grass. They have flat back teeth. This helps them chew their food well. Observe a cow or buffalo after it has eaten its food. It chews for a long time. Cows, buffaloes and some other herbivores have an interesting way of eating. At the time of grazing, they swallow their food without chewing it. Later, they bring it back to the mouth and chew it properly. This is called chewing the cud. Carnivores such as lions, tigers and wolves tears and chew the flesh of other animals. They have four long, sharp and pointed teeth to tear the flesh. They have flat back teeth. This helps them chew the flesh. Snakes do not chew their food. Some of them can swallow animals bigger than their own heads. Snakes have small mouths. When they have to swallow a large animal, their jaws open out and the mouth becomes very big. This is the example. Lizards and frogs swallow their food without chewing. A frog has a long and sticky tongue. It shoots out its tongue to catch insects. A chameleon also has a long tongue and uses it in the same way. A mosquito has a sharp and hollow tube in its mouth. It stabs you with this and sucks your blood in the same way you drink using a straw. A butterfly's mouth is also a long and hollow tube. It sucks nectar from flowers. So now you can understand the lesson. Thank you.